Music rocks! Yeah!
Fuck, we're rolling.
Oh, jeez, sorry. It's my tie straight.
Yeah, looks great. Go ahead.
Now let's try to play Hot Cross Buns at 60 beats per minute.
Let's try Hot Cross Buns at 60 beats per minute. Start by getting all 4 fingers set up, and then we count to 4 before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 2, 2, oh, 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 4, 4, 2, 2, oh, oh. Now line 2. When you can play through it without making any mistakes, give yourself the Perfect Performance Award. And that's all we're going to do for right now. So, good job.
Everybody, great job. That's enough. Nice work. Real solid. Great.